Good morning, children. 7th Standard Social Civics Unit 1 Equality. Equality means samatvam. Introduction. Nature has made men unequal in color, height, talent, physical strength, etc. And the nature inequalities can never be rectified. Even the twins looking like a similar are not equal in their abilities. What it tells, if your twins also it equal, but their abilities are different. Man-made inequality on the basis of caste, money, religions, etc. Man-made means whether you are rich or poor, whether you are low caste or higher caste, whether you are Hindu or Muslims, but you are in equality. It is universal accept that people are different in their capacity, ability, attitude, etc. But at the same time, it also accepts that they should be given equal opportunity for the development of their skill and talents. So now we are going to discuss about what is equality. Equality is ensuring individual or groups that are not treated differently or less favorably, including areas of race, gender, inabilities, religious or belief, sexual orientation, and age. And also in age groups also it will tell about equality, and also it tells about the gender. Gender means male or female. Whether male or female, we should be equal one another. Next, we are going to discuss about the importance of equality. Equality is a powerful moral and political idea that has inspired that guided human society for many centuries. The democratic ideas such as liberty, equality, etc. are meaningful and effective only when they are implemented with justice. Democracy is a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. Now we have kinds of equality. We have a different type of kinds of equality like social equality, civic equality, political equality, gender equality, etc. Now we are going to discuss about each one. Social equality means that all citizens are entitled to enjoy equal status in society. So we should enjoy in the status of the society. There should not be any discrimination of. In society, there is no discrimination of caste, creed, colors, and race, etc. Now, second one is civics equality. Civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens. We have here fundamental rights. 6 fundamental rights. Already you studied in 6th standard. For example, right to equality, right to education, like that. Equality rights should be available to all the person, and nobody should be denied enjoyment of any rights. Now next one is political equality. All the democratic countries including India have guaranteed the political rights to all citizens. For example, right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize government, etc. In India, the voting right is given to all the citizens who has attained 18 years of age without any discrimination. India is the first country to give right to vote to women from very first general election held in the year 1952. Now next one is general equality. Gender equality is all human beings, both men and women, are free to develop their personal abilities and make choice without any limitation. Women were not given equal rights and they were considered a weakened compared to men, and they were placed in a secondary position. Now, in the olden days, men and women are not equal. Women should be at home. They should go to school and study, but women should at home itself. But they are not given equality in the olden days. But nowadays, they given equal for men and women. Now next, human dignity. Dignity means self-respect. We should give self-respect to each one. Human dignity is the most important human rights from which all other fundamental rights derived. Now, equality of opportunity and education. For all, the individuals should have similar chance to receive education. So education is important. They give both the man and woman for equal education. Equality in Indian Constitution. Almost the constitution all the countries in the world have guarantee equality. Likewise, the Constitution of India has also guaranteed equality to all citizens by providing articles. What these articles tells about the 14 to 18 articles tells what are the things. Article 14 guarantee to all the people equality before law. Article 15 deals with prohibition of discrimination. Article 16 provide equality of opportunity in matter relating to employment. Article 17 abolish the practice of untouchability. Untouchability means தீண்டத்தகாதவர்கள். Articles 18 abolish the compare to the citizens. We won't compare citizen, we should be equal to one another. Equally before all and equality before all, law and equal protection of all have been further strengthened in the Indian Constitution under Article 21. Now we can promote equality by the given some important points: treating all fairly, creating and including colors, ensuring equal access to opportunities, enabling to develop full potential, making law and policies, education. Now we are going to conclude this lesson. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Equality and justice are the pillar of the democracy. Justice can be achieved when people are treated equally. Equality is the important because of preserving the dignity of the individual. Equality is an important principle for the society to function. So dear children, we conclude this lesson. Thank you.